Into pee?
Yeah.
Woo! Mommy's making hairstyle for Friduzzi, and then we're going out for ice cream, right, Frida? Frida, we're going for ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like pink ice cream?
Yeah, like yesterday.
Yesterday? Did you have pink ice cream yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't remember, but okay. So, I got a drone from my bro, Branislav. Frida, Uncle Brani.
What?
Uncle Brani gave us a drone.
What?
Look at this. This is going to fly up in the sky.
Yeah.
Like an airplane. Don't worry. We're going out to get ice cream and we're going to record that with a drone, right? We're going to watch it fly away. Abi?
Yeah.
Yes.
What are you doing here?
I'm putting the memory card.
What are you putting inside?
Put it inside here.
Here?
I think so.
That thing needs to fly.
Yes.
Are
It's
you-
going to fly. Let's put it in here so nothing happens to it. Should it go?
No.
So it's nice and taken care of.
What is that, Frida?
That is aeroplane. That is an aeroplane.
It's a drone.
That is aeroplane.
Okay. It flies, so let's agree with you. It is an airplane for you. See.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
It's an aeroplane. Nice airplane. Nice airplane.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please.
Oh, we're going back home because see that she went into a coma basically. So this also happened yesterday. It's not the first time it's happening. I'm kind of getting used to it now. Except yesterday we decided to just go through with it and carry her around and then wake her eventually for food. There's no need for that today. The day is still young. Maybe we should go rest also, or maybe we can even find somewhere to just, I don't know, chill. I don't know. I honestly don't know.
We don't have a boogie, that's the thing.
Yeah.
We quit the boogie times and boogie years, and now we don't know. We can't just put her somewhere and stroll around, you know, like we used to be able to. I can't really move here because
We can move the.
no, if I move it shows the
Always
that and that.
So you see what is okay to show this side, just forget about this side. If you want to show more of this side, you can. If you see that you're cracking it, you know, you can even bend it like this. This glass here can show.
Okay.
This one here can show.
Hello, who's there? That don't sort of speak up. Making money non-stop. Tobalo Jack.
Battery is low. Please recharge in time.
But I did walk my talk. Baba got be my room. Hello, who's there? That don't sort of speak up. Making money non-stop. Tobalo Jack. Hello, who's there? I know they too like talk. But I did walk my talk. Baba got be my room.
Battery is low.
Who's
Please
there?
recharge in time.
Hello, who's there? That don't sort of speak up. Making money non-stop. Tobalo Jack.
Hello, who's there? I know they do like dog, but I dey walk my dog. Baba gonna be my rock.
Stalking 101. What is my hobby doing? Flying the drone that I can't even see anywhere. There. Flying that drone.
Baba go be my rock, no mean say I no go put in work. I know they like for
I don't know
sure.
how to switch it to video. It's on photo right now.
Fall, I rise up even twice I stop. And don't go down, never stop until I hey, get to the top one day. Hey, Baba the grind must pay. Talking to me, who you? Talking money, if not F you. Long talk, logo buy me fufu. Cheap talk when you know be true.
Where are we going?
What's the name of this again? The Gelato what?
Marshall's Gelato.
Marshall's Gelato. We heard it's like one of the best ice creams in Sarajevo. We're gonna go try ice cream, right?
Yeah.
Yes!
It's right there.
Which one do you want?
I don't like this.
The pink one, huh?
Yes, 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 yes. Yes.
We became those people
Which people?
who record instead of eating.
This is so good. God.
You like
Yummy?
it?
Yeah.
How about this one? You like it?
Yeah.
You can eat any.
What's this place?
It's a theater again.
So many theaters.
Yeah.